All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on this lovely Friday. Good to see you, Charles. Good to see you, Gene, Grant. Good to see you all. Always nice to see everyone here bright and early in the morning. How's everybody doing? Good to see you, Nita. Good to see you. Everybody on YouTube, Facebook Live, welcome back. It looks like we had another couple of nice moving stocks this morning. TKLF. My God, look at this thing. Cheap stock. Started around 8 o'clock this morning at $1.63. And we're up as high as 238. Backed off a little bit here. Got some good movement in the stocks. A couple of them are moving from yesterday and today that start trickle into more day trades, into swing trades. We'll talk a little bit about that. But pretty excited about what's happening with some of the stocks. So anyway, another beautiful day here in New York. It's going to be hot. Looking forward to the weekend. It's going to be like almost 100 here. So I'm looking forward to doing some fishing, getting in some boats. I don't know if anyone heard over here over where we live here in New York. We're getting attacked by sharks. So much bait in the water. It's the reason why. So I'm going to try to be a little careful. But if I get any good pictures, if I see anything cool, I'll definitely show you guys. Hopefully I don't catch one on my line. But to pay for that stuff, we got to go out there. We got to make money in the market. So let's talk about some of the stocks that are moving. I want to start off and talk about what happened yesterday. There were a couple of really, really nice stocks that made some big moves. I want to start off talking about TBLT. All right. There we go. And let me just open up a 2-day chart here. So TBLT had a great move. This stock, you could see, not only has it been a really good day trade, it has obviously turned into a little bit more of a swing trade. $2 stock went as high as, we're up as high as up in the 650 price range. You could see it, the afternoon run up right there. Let me just blow this up a little bit bigger so you can see it. Really nice move right here around 130. Started around 480, started to keep going. Beautiful higher highs, just gorgeous. Had a nasty shake you could see here right around the last 15 minutes of the close. But anyway, really nice movement over the course of the day. You guys did great on that one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Whoever caught on to it, guess what? She's going back on the watch list again. So we got another nice little move right here. Another stock that moved pretty nicely yesterday. Where are we? Typed in the wrong window. The ADXN trade. That one was so much more nicer than the other one. That was a gap fill. You could see it right here, right at 9 o'clock, right in pre-market. Cheap little stock, $1.40. Boom, thing all the way up until almost 11 o'clock, ran as high as $2.50. You're literally talking about 100% mover. People can't even make, would die to make 100% on the money a year. Okay, here you have something that did it in a day, in less than an hour, and it was a very cheap little stock, great movement, awesome move stock out there. You know what? If you caught even maybe 20 cents of that move, like even right here around 10 o'clock, and you got this shake and you sold it right here around even 2, you still made yourself 20 cents. Do that every day. $200 on 1,000 shares, $50,000 a year salary. I don't think anyone's going to complain about that one. All right. So, and these are nice little cheapers that made some nice moves in the morning. Another couple of stocks I want to talk about, nice push hires, was Mara. Mara, we watched it over and over and over again. Not only the stock has been a phenomenal day trade, it has been a great swing trade. And we've been trading this stock for the past several days. So if you've been here, you watch our videos, maybe you're watching this later, maybe you're on live now. Mara has been also all over our watch list. This stock was as low as $5 a share. We're getting close to that 15, just below 15. I think I could test the 16 right there. Still got some good movement. It's a little on the volatile side. It's a category 3, but she's been doing pretty well for us. So Mara's also been doing well with also Riot. Riot also very similar stock of the blockchain. stock, and they did also well too. And then last, one stock I just want to bring up. There was a really good short on UAL yesterday. That stock had a great slingshot from 39 down to 37.50 and just came right back down. Airlines obviously not doing too well. You could see, but didn't affect Delta or anything else. But UAL, I don't fly UAL anymore. American Airlines, I used to fly it, but I'm just a big fan of Delta. I think Delta's, I don't know, maybe call me biased. Maybe they gave me good status, but United, still on the expensive side. I always judge a company on what the price of their stock is. So what's the other one? We have a Save, right? Save at 24. That one. What else we have? There's a couple of them. We have JetBlue. JetBlue's a little bit on the cheaper side, but airlines, like I said, be very, very careful on them when it comes out to. Oh, and then forgot to mention we had that really nice short a couple of days ago. Looks like got a nice little bounce on some of the cruise stocks, so they also made a little bit of comeback. Now, Grant says Mara's over 14. Yeah, I mean, listen, stock's got a great push. You could see it right there. Good call on that one, but really, really nice push. You could see when we started, it's already making a nice little run right there. But blockchain, I've always been a big fan of them. You know what? We saw these stocks take big hits, but there's been some really, really good buys. Also, a couple other long-term trade stocks that we've doing. Amazon obviously has been really well for some of you. Got in around the 106 price range, doing pretty well. Did also pretty well with Carvana. So holding on that swing trade on that one. I got out of Merck about 2 days ago. I was testing this big resistance levels. I didn't want to break it, so I got out of that one on the swing trade. And then I got out of TLRY. We were doing really well with that one. She's got a lot of support and resistance levels here around 380. So I thought we had a nice little push right here. I thought it was going to make a little breakout, but it didn't want to. It started coming down. So I pretty much got out of that one. Anyway, let's turn the page. Let's focus on what's moving today. Okay, so we got any swing trades, got any day trades? Listen, there's a couple of nice, interesting stocks I want to talk about. Let's start off with the TKLF. What do you say? So this stock right here, I'm popping over here on level 4, and there are a couple of not huge iceberg orders out there. You could see there's a big one right here, but this guy's way out of the way. We're talking 135, but we're over here right around the 234s. We got a couple of resistance levels right here. We could see that there was a ladder effect on the downside, so they kept buying it. So kind of got the support level around here around 220, but we got a little decent sell here at resistance. That one, great movement, good stock. I'm not too crazy about the levels on that one, and you could tell kind of made that big pop right after around 8:30. Really hasn't gone anywhere within 10 minutes, 10-15 cents right there. But nice spread, 8.5 million shares, everything we're looking for. And we've seen some of these things pop. So put this one on our watch list, TKLF. All right. A couple other ones also showed up on here, and you can see them, all the big percentage gainers. SDIG, nice little move on this one too. When I hopped over here on level 4, you got a resistance level right around $4, and a couple of big buyers around 360. For decent shares, 17,000 right there. You can see it right here. There was a guy here for about 26,000. Looks like he pulled his order, but it looks like obviously there's more than one person out there that is doing it. So it looks like we're in that range, but really nice move. This stock also not only has been a good day trade, it turned into a swing trade. It was roughly around the $2 price range. You're talking about 100% mover in 3 days. Now there's some big resistance levels right around here, around the 4-ish price range. So be very careful of that too on that one. APLD. Let me go see. I had this one. She started to back off. I thought she was pretty good. Yeah, you know what? The buyers came up and they started getting out of it. So they start pulling the orders. I might put this one on the B list, APLD. And we're at number 3. I mean, this is pretty cool, but that's a lot right there. It's a lot. Everything else, I didn't see anything else. Oh, this one just, Jivo. Man, this thing just came out of nowhere. What happened here? Huge volume spike on this one. This one just came crashing down, huh? Oh my God, we got to keep an eye on that. Look, 2.4 million shares. I mean, it doesn't look good now. It's on a downtrend, but I like that. I like that move right there. Somebody came out there And we've traded this stock before, many of times, GEVO. So throw that one on the watch list. All right, a couple of big losers. We all know about the FFIE. We did awesome with this stock. For some of you who didn't watch this before, we've been trading this stock around $2.30. This thing went from like $2.60 to $3.50, went all the way up to about $8 a share. It was a great, great day trade. And now, guess what? Bye-bye. It was a great short squeeze. That's basically what you had right there. So now she's starting to trend down. I'm just bringing this up, not that we would trade it, but we did trade it. You know, because I always get people always ask me, oh, well, why is the stock down now? That we were day trading this thing, and we were doing short-term swing trading on it. But it was a nice little stock. I just want to show you, this is why you don't hold positions, and you got to know when to take losses. Remember the biggest thing we teach you at Cyber Trade University. It's not about how to make money, okay? We don't like to talk about the winners. We want to teach you the losers. Because once you learn how to stop losing money, the winners take care of themselves. And this is what happens to a lot of people out there. They don't know how to take losses. Same thing with ADXN. Great mover. We did great. Stock was up huge. It was all about being a day trade. All right. Snapchat taking a very big hit today. You could see it. People talking about it on TV, everything else. You know, we're not going to. I've traded Snapchat before, but Snapchat is not looking too well, looking too good right here. I mean, this stock is breaking. Is that all-time lows? Oh no, we still got some lows here. We still got room. We got room around 820. So we're at 11. So you got to go way back to 20 to find support levels on that stock. But listen, we're not gonna. I'm not a big fan of it, but I'll put it on the C list if I start getting a little desperate. Here on the New York Stock Exchange, big percentage gainers, garbage. These are all stocks we're not going to trade. Just looking at it. Some people looking at me like, how do you go through that so quickly? These are things that we teach you. Pinterest, a big fan of that. Obviously not doing too well. Look at that. What an interesting stock on that one. Verizon also is on this list. Wow, Verizon taking a very big hit, huh? A lot of big brand names in the big losers list. Even W. Wow, even that one's out there. KO, let's see, an ETF. QD, that's not one. Oh, look at that. Shop is even on there too. That's only about 2%. All right, so we got a pretty decent watch list. Listen, today is Friday, so let's not get too crazy. Today is a very big day also. At 10 a.m., I'm going to be doing a live demonstration on how to trade today's markets. I post a link up there. I know some of you in the cyber group room, you're going to be trading, but Josh and Rich will be able to is going to be running the room. I'm going to get ready for this meeting. If you're watching YouTube or you're watching Facebook, click on there. I'm going to talk about coffee futures. I'm going to talk about 4-5. I got my friends at 4-5 that are watching live right now. I'm also going to, once again, coffee. These guys are making a lot of money in coffee. My God, I didn't know there was a 95% profit on that thing. So anyway, great coffee, great. And like I said, futures been doing unbelievable too. I'm going to show you we could probably find some of them towards using it towards level 4 too to kind of keep an eye on that. But let's go out there and see what's going on. And then also, just remember, don't get too crazy and cocky today. Fridays is listen, people here in New York are going to be running out to the Hamptons. They're going to start, I don't know if you guys watch the Hamptons, but it's a really big place over here. It's where all the millionaires and billionaires go. They're going to leave early. It's a really hot, it's the hottest weekend of the year. Believe me, they're going to want to enjoy it. So I don't think it's going to get too crazy today. So don't get too cocky, all right? But if you just make your money quick and then just go. That's how I usually play it. But listen, Friday afternoons, make sure you're connected to our app, our alerts. If something comes up, we'll go out there and share it with you. All right, guys? Good luck today. Happy trading, and we'll see you on the trading room. If not, I'll see you at 10 a.m. in the live trading with Fausto and how to use level 4 at 10 a.m. All right, guys? Good luck, everyone. Happy trading.